Alright, go ahead, buddy. Alright, so you're gonna stand right in the middle, right there, okay? You're gonna face them so they can see your cute smile. And you're gonna wanna get these tickets, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you're gonna wait to pick up the tickets until the air starts blowing. And if you get scared, knock on the glass, okay? I'll let you out. But I don't think you're gonna get scared.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah! Yeah. Where's it coming from? I can't hear it. Where's it coming? Where's it? I don't know where it's coming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, get! Get them!
Alright, good job, buddy.
It is
Alright,
so...
I'm gonna have you empty the tickets out in there so we don't get them all over the floor. How about that?
I like it!
Alright, I'll take all your tickets, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? You got tickets all over your shirt. Thank you. Well, guess what? At the end of your birthday party, you're gonna get over 1,000 tickets. So these don't matter, okay?
Okay.
I'll make sure you get a lot of tickets, okay? But you gotta wait till I print it out. So come on. You did great, though.
Nice job, dude. You did good. Let me make sure you got everything out. Ready? All right.